Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be doing a makeup transformation. So let's just get right into it. So first thing that I'm doing is I'm just doing my eyebrows, and I'm gonna be using a brow pencil that I got from my local beauty supply store that doesn't have a name, but it's dark brown. And then using a concealer, I am going to just clean up those eyebrows. And the concealer that I'm using is NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. After I'm done cleaning up my eyebrows, I'm just gonna go over my whole eyelid, and I'm using the same concealer, and I'm gonna be using this as my eyeshadow primer. And I'm just using my fingers to blend that out. Using the ColourPop and Shayla Perception palette, I'm gonna get the color Culture. I'm using this color as my transitioning color. And using the same palette, I'm gonna be using the color Revenge. I'm gonna be using this in my crease as well, and this will just further deepen my transitioning color. And using the Too Faced Semi Sweet Chocolate Bar, I am going to be taking the color Licorice, and I'm using that at the edges of my eyelid. And I went back into the first palette, the Shayla palette, and I used the transitioning color again, and this time I'm just blending everything out. And using the color Diva from the same palette, I am going to put that on my eyelid. Gold brown, deep gold color. It is very pretty. It's like brown gold, darker, I don't know. It's just really pretty to me. Liner, I'm just gonna go ahead and line my eyes. This is not going to be a wing liner, so I'm just using that as a base for my eyelashes, for my fake lashes. And then using the Makeup Forever mascara, I'm just gonna go over my lashes, because I have to do that before I put my falsies. And that's it for the eyes for now. And then using the Benefit Face Primer, I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my face, guys. This is my and then next I'm gonna be using my favorite foundation of all time, Kat Von D Lock It foundation. And yeah, we just go ahead and do that. And using a brush, I'm just gonna put my foundation on. And then I'm going back to my NARS concealer, and I'm using this to highlight my face. I'm gonna be using this under my eyes, my nose, and then on my chin, right below my mouth. And I'll just go ahead and blend that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the Laura Mercier translucent powder to bake my face to set my concealer. Go ahead and fluff that powder. I think I had this on for like 10 minutes. And then using the e.l.f. brush and contour palette, I'm using the darker color to contour my face. And then using the ColourPop Shella Booming highlighter, I'm just gonna go ahead and put highlights on my cheeks and on my nose, because those are the places that I highlight. So I'm like literally on the high points of my cheeks. And then we're gonna go in with the L'Oreal Voluminous, and then we're gonna go in with L'Oreal Voluminous Smoldering Liner. It's the dark color, black color, and I'll just put that in the, I'm just gonna go ahead and line that like so. And then back to the palette again. This is literally my favorite palette, as you can see. I'm gonna be using this color Thick, which is orange color, because I'm gonna be wearing an orange dress, so I figured I'd put some orange color. So I'm putting that under my eyes, and then I'm gonna line my lips with the same pencil liner that I used before, which I don't know the name. I got it from my local beauty supply. And then I'll line my lips with that, and then using the ColourPop Shiner lipstick. Come on, sis. And then we're gonna finish up the look using NARS highlighting powder. Alright, so this is the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video. I really love making these videos, and I'm so thankful to everybody who watches these videos. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and I shall see you in my next video. Thumbs up the video. Bye.